Welcome back, everyone, to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a DEPIN project offering a completely free airdrop, with funding raised up to $15 million. Make sure to watch the entire video to get all the details and instructions on how to join this project. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with high-quality airdrop projects in the future. The project I want to talk about today is Openloop. Currently, the project has raised up to $15 million in funding and is being developed by the DEPIN Foundation, supported by Solana. This is a very new project, so information is still limited. We will update you as soon as there are new developments. For now, you can learn more about the project through their social media channel on X. Since this is a free project, make sure to seize the opportunity to participate as early as possible. This project operates similarly to Grass and Gradient, making it extremely simple to get started. Keep watching the video for detailed instructions. Steps to participate. Step 1. Go to Google and search for Openloop extension. Then, install the browser add-on. I recommend using the Chrome browser since most projects typically launch their extensions on this platform first. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, register for an account. Use your Gmail account to register, as you may need to verify your identity when the project distributes rewards. After registering, log in to the system. Step 3. After logging in, you'll arrive at the project dashboard. Connect your wallet to the project. Once the wallet is connected, go back to the extension to log in. You can invite your friends to join and earn additional points. Here's how the referral bonus system works. A level 1, earn 5% of your referrals rewards. A level 2, earn 3%. A level 3, earn 1%. Sounds great, right? Next, click on the Complete Tasks button to perform the project's social media tasks. Let's do them together. There are plenty of tasks here, so make sure to complete them to earn points. to maximize your points. Keep your browser running continuously and regularly check for new tasks from the project. That wraps up our introduction to the Openloop project and how to participate in their airdrop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and share it with others. Thank you so much, and see you in the next project.